H bar broke above a key resistance level. And if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. All right, you guys did it. 24 hours later, we hit 81.6. Now, the same plan. I'm going to go to bed 24 hours later. I want to see 81.4% of you subscribed. Thank you. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another H-bar analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio. Now, as you guys can see from the video 2 days ago, we were testing a very crucial resistance point here at 0.046. This, of course, was a beautiful level for bulls to actually start taking those profits. And I mentioned the fact that we could be looking for a pullback opportunity because of the fact we were in extreme overbought conditions. But if we ended up holding our exponential moving averages, we could be looking for a continuation. As of right now, that scenario obviously played out almost perfectly, where you see H-bar actually broke above a key resistance level here at 0.046, followed by support and then the continuation. Right now, in terms of our bullish case scenario, we cannot break lower than 0.046. We have to use this level as support, and in terms of the next take profit zone, which I'm sure a lot of you guys are wondering, it will be all the way up here at 0.057. Now, I'm going to be very careful of when I try to explain this to you guys, and I want you to pay attention. Right now, H-bar is looking extremely healthy in terms of a pullback opportunity and a relief rally. The only thing that concerns me is the fact that we only saw one test confirmation at 0.03. This is very rare to see, of course, where you actually have price analysis continue pushing on this far ahead with only a one test confirmation on a very large support level. So I'm still expecting a second and third test to happen. The question will be, of course, where exactly will this relief rally end? I'm going to go ahead and draw another line of resistance. And as you guys can see, this area at 0.05 was a very crucial resistance point before we saw the capitulation to the downside. We were consolidating in between these levels and finally ended up breaking support. So as of right now, from the bullish case scenario, we could be looking for this rally to possibly end up here at 0.05 and then start to see whether or not we will continue pushing on forward. This will be a perfect opportunity for those of you looking to exit your long positions around this area. And I do want to explain to you guys that if you guys are looking for the long-term play right now, I would be very cautious entering at these levels. The reason why is I don't necessarily think the bottom is in just yet, but we have to keep in mind that this was a very long overdue rally in terms of a bullish case. H-bar was in pure capitulation mode. You can see that every time we were consolidating, we were continuing pushing on to the downside, but as you guys can see, this is not the first time where we saw a beautiful pullback opportunity before we continued pushing on lower. I am expecting the same sort of situation, something like this, where we do see a nice push above. And of course, this would become invalidated if we did end up breaking above this key resistance here at 0.07. That's still quite a ways to go. So as of right now, we will pay very close attention to seeing how this area of support reacts. You can see that in terms of previous price analysis, we did have a beautiful consolidation zone, and that's exactly what I'm looking for right now on H-bar. A lot of you guys will be looking at this trade for a shorting position, but we have to keep in mind that right now the market is in a short squeeze. We are pushing some massive moves right now, so be very careful looking for those shorting entries. And you can see that every time we ended up looking for those shorts, we pretty much had that continuation leg opportunity. This is a continuation pattern. This is not a bearish formation, ladies and gentlemen. And as of right now, the bulls are obviously in control and we are looking for higher highs. What we don't want to see, of course, in terms of a bullish case is a strong bearish engulfing candle, because then this is just simply a ladder case upwards and an elevator down until we break below this level here of support at 0.046. But for those of you that are a little bit more conservative, this is the support level here at 0.043 you want to keep an eye on the lower time frames. Any break below this support level would mean the fact that we are looking for a much larger move to the downside. So be very cautious as you guys are trading. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.